Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 21 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. Do the points P1, 0, Q minus 5, 0 and R minus 2, 5 form a triangle? If so, name the type of the triangle formed. The triangle inequality theorem states that sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Let's first find the side lengths and then let us check whether it is obeying this theorem. To get the lengths of the sides, I use this distance formula, which is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. For PQ, x1 y1 is 1, 0 and x2 y2 is minus 5, 0. So we get root minus 5 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square, which is root minus 6 square, that is root 36, which is 6 units. For QR, it is root minus 2 minus of minus 5 the whole square plus 5 minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to root 3 square plus 5 square, that is root 9 plus 25, which is root 34, which is approximately 5.8. Then for the third side PR, which is root of minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to root minus 3 the whole square plus 5 square, which is again 9 plus 25, that is root 34, which is approximately 5.8. Now let's check whether it is obeying this triangle inequality theorem. PQ plus QR, which is 6 plus 5.8, is obviously greater than the third side PR. QR plus PR is 5.8 plus 5.8. The sum of these two is greater than the third side PQ. PR plus PQ is 5.8 plus 6, which is greater than the third side QR. Therefore, these points form triangle. Here the sides QR is 5.8 and PR is also 5.8. Since the two sides of the triangle are equal, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.